At a spending rate of $1 million a day, it would take Bill Gates 18 years to spend all his money. In mornings, eating an apple will keep you awake better than drinking coffee. Twitter is blue, Tumblr is blue, Facebook is blue, the color blue relieves stress. If you search how to suicide on Google, it will take you to the page which shows suicide prevention helpline as it thinks you are about to commit suicide. In 2012, a Florida man had his hands bitten off by an alligator and he was charged with illegally feeding animals. When pirate Jean Lawful saw Governor advertising a $500 reward for his capture, Lawful offered $5,000 for capture of Governor. Scientists invented an injectable oxygen particle that lets you survive without breathing. Alexa is always listening to your conversations. When secretary at Apple office was late because of her car trouble, Steve Jobs gave her a brand new Jaguar and said, "Don't be late anymore." This is the largest library in the world, just opened in China and has 1.2 million books. Dutch designer created innovative classroom stools that encourage healthy posture with 4 available sitting positions. There is a hotel in Sweden built entirely out of ice. It is rebuilt every year. India's Mirabai Chanu at her home in Manipur after winning silver medal in the Tokyo Olympics. It is a hemlock water dropwood plant. It is very poisonous. If a person dies due to eating this plant, then there is a big smile on his face. If you think email was invented by an American, then you are wrong. It's Shiva Ayadurai, a 14-year-old Indian boy, invented it in 1978. Have you ever experienced a noise of someone opening the door in the night and nobody was there? Actually, it's a sign of ghost. The unfamiliar faces in your dreams are the possible ghosts who stare at you while you are sleeping. Four Texas couples who had been best friends for decades built their own neighborhood so they could live next door to each other forever. They have 4 houses all in a row plus a large one with a full kitchen where they can all hang out together. A person's memory is able to save 90% of what he does, 50% of what he sees and 10% of what he hears. When Queen Elizabeth visited the set of Game of Thrones in 2014, the show's producers offered her a chance to sit on the Iron Throne. She declined because there is an old rule that says Queen is not allowed to sit on foreign throne. There is a hospital for toys in Sydney, Australia that's over 100 years old. It has 6 workrooms full of random body parts and lots of creepy dolls are everywhere. We may hear the name of Bhagat Singh, but many few of us know Khudram Bose. He was one of the youngest revolutionaries who opposed British rule of India. His contribution in India's freedom struggle is significant as he was just 18-year-old when he was sentenced to death. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.